The National Green Tribunal, NGT, is scheduled to pronounce its order today on the imposition of a temporary ban on the sale and use of firecrackers. The Green Court is going to decide on the ban in interest of public health and environment. Meanwhile, 2 days after a complete ban on crackers in Haryana, Chief Minister Manohar Lal Khattar took a partial U-turn. He announced that people are going to be allowed to sell and use firecrackers during a 2-hour window on Diwali this year. Khattar cited environmental concerns and increasing COVID cases and banned the complete use of firecrackers on Friday. Earlier, Delhi, Rajasthan, West Bengal and Odisha imposed a complete ban on crackers. However, Karnataka allowed the use of green crackers during Diwali.
इसमें पॉल्यूशन का जो खतरनाक लेवल पहुंच गया है और कोरोना ऊपर से चल रहा है। हमने देखा कि कोरोना की दोबारा से फिर ये खास करके प्रदूषण जब से बढ़ रहा है, मौसम बदल रहा है, कोरोना का जो मरीज है फिर बढ़ने शुरू हो गए। जो हमारे 1000 तक आ गए थे हरियाणा में, आज 2021 से फिर पहुंच गए हैं। तो हमें इन चीज़ों से थोड़ा सा ध्यान रख करके इसके ऊपर कोई ना कोई संज्ञान लेना पड़ता है। फिर भी जो लोग ताकि अपना बेचना चाहें, चलाना चाहें, तो 2 घंटे की छूट दी है, उस 2 घंटे के लिए बेच सकते हैं।
Manjeet is now joining us for the latest on this. Manjeet, Haryana borders Delhi. Delhi has hazardous air quality. On top of that, the third wave of COVID has set in. In fact, the air quality in Haryana is also not that healthy. Given all of these factors, what has prompted the Haryana Chief Minister to take a U-turn on the cracker ban?
Well, Jyoti, we heard Haryana Chief Minister Manohar Lal Khattar, while at one hand he is talking about the festivity, and on the other he is also talking about the COVID threat and besides the environment pollution being caused by stubble burning. But sources are telling us that this U-turn is because of the pressure being mounted by the Hindu organizations and besides the cracker sellers who had told the government that they had already invested some money in buying the crackers so they may be allowed. However, there is no clarity from the part of Haryana government. Well, these crackers can be sold or not. But as far as the ban is concerned, it will be relaxed between 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. on Diwali day. As far as the orders are concerned, Punjab and Haryana High Court in 2018 had already allowed people to burst crackers between 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. Punjab government has yet to take a call in the neighboring Himachal as well. But as far as the cases are concerned, the stubble burning cases are going up. 60,000 cases have been reported during this season, Jyoti, in Punjab alone. And this is higher than the three-year number of cases. And as far as the price of this pollution is concerned, even the locals, be it the Haryanvis or be it the Punjabis, are also paying the price for this. Over a dozen accidents took place due to the smoke caused by the stubble burning, but still the stubble is being burnt and this is a harsh reality.
Absolutely. Thanks so much for joining us with the very latest details right there, Manjeet.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.